What's up, this is Shamapti and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how I shape my face for the smoothest skin ever and without any irritation. So yeah, let's start. So the question is, why do I shape my face? The simple answer would be my skin feels softer and brighter after doing it, and also there are multiple benefits of shaving, like it mildly exfoliates our skin, also makeup glides like butter, also it helps skincare products to penetrate deeply, but there are a few do's and don'ts, and yeah, let me show you how I do it. First, let's start with the preparation. So it's very important how you shave your skin, but it's also very important how you prepare your skin for it, especially your facial skin, because it's thinner than the rest of your body. So yeah, what I do, I start with cleansing my skin. So this is how my skin looks before shaving. It looks patchy, and I'm hoping after shaving it's gonna look smoother. I'm gonna start with cleansing my skin, and this is a very important step. Never shave on dirty skin or with your makeup and sunscreen on. Always clean your skin before you shave to avoid razor bumps, then ingrown hair, and if you have like dirty skin, you're not gonna get even shave, which is gonna lead to patchy skin. And also always use a gentle cleanser. After I'm done cleansing, I'm going to apply a gel on my skin like this one. This is from Carmesi. This is their 2-in-1 pre and post shaving balm. So it helps to like reduce the friction. Also it is kind of soothing for the skin. It contains good ingredients like aloe vera, neem, cucumber. This gel helps to hydrate the skin because we should never shave on dry skin. Because when you shave on dry skin, it results in more friction, which can lead to skin irritation. So always avoid that. I really like the texture of this gel. This is non-sticky, it glides well. I take a generous amount of this gel and I massage it on my skin before I shave, and when I'm done, I'll be using Carmesi Facial Razor to shave my skin. I have been using this for quite a while and I'm really impressed with the quality of the razor. The blade is made of stainless steel, so if you use this properly, you won't get any nicks and cuts. And it comes in an affordable price of $2.99 for 3 razors in one pack, and it also has this protective cap. So after you remove the protective cap, it is ready to use. So hold your skin tight and move the razor in a downward direction while applying as little pressure as possible, and handle the blade gently to avoid any cuts. The blade of the razor is designed in a zigzag pattern so that it glides smoothly, unlike other razors which are sharp and have blunt blades like a knife. This blade is of really superior quality and works quite gently yet effectively on the skin. And shaving can work for all skin types, but if you have acne, inflammation or skin breakouts, try not to use this during that time. And you can use this razor to shape your eyebrows as well. It makes the job super easy. It takes like no time to get like well groomed eyebrows. Also you can remove the hair from the upper lip area. It is truly a must-have at-home beauty grooming tool. It has this anti-slip grip which gives the perfect angle to hold it and shave, which actually makes shaving the upper lips area quite convenient. And remember one thing, I know after shaving your skin's gonna feel very smooth and you're gonna be very tempted to use makeup, but wait at least for one day before you use makeup to reduce the chances of inflammation. Also clean the razor with disinfectant after every use and put the protective cap on. Also wash your face with water thoroughly after you are done. I really like how my skin is looking right now. It is very soft to touch. Now I'm going to apply a generous amount of Carmesi shaving balm as the last step. And yeah, I like to apply this on wet skin. Also you can apply this on damp skin or semi-damp skin. And please try to avoid harsh sunlight after you shave. Also do not scrub your skin for at least 2 or 3 days after shaving, because like I told you, shaving itself is an act of exfoliation. Now I'll be addressing few misconceptions regarding facial razor, and the number 1 myth is the hair grows back thicker, but it doesn't happen like that. When the hair gets shaped, it gets cut down at the shaft, hence while growing back it may appear thicker, that's all. But 2, it makes your skin rough. Actually when the hair grows back post shaving, it is not tapered, hence it might feel rough initially, but actually what is happening, shaving actually mildly exfoliates our skin, so it makes our skin smoother. Number 3 would be shaving every day is bad. Actually it depends on how you shave your skin, you know. If you have been following the steps gently, then it should be fine, but whatever works for you. If your skin likes shaving every day, then that's fine, but if your skin can handle shaving like once in a week, then that's fine too. So yeah, I hope you found this video to be helpful. And also Carmesi, they are having very good offers like buy one get one free and up to 30% off. And if you use my code SHAMAPTI10, you're gonna get additional 10% off. I'm gonna leave the links in the description box. Also Carmesi is available on Amazon. So yeah, that's all for now, and thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.